Good morning. Welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today we have a new winner for the lowest car we've ever pulled onto our alignment rack. This guy here is a 2014 FRS, highly modified. This thing is running 10 degrees plus of negative camber, and I pulled it onto our rack. Took a little finagling because this thing is lower than anything else I've pulled on. I did have to use some wood blocks to get it up the ramps, but once I got on the rack I was able to make things work, get proper alignment settings, get my toe set, balance everything out, and now it's ready to release back to the customer. He'll probably be really happy. He will still wear out tires at an astronomically fast rate, but it won't be near as bad as what it was because his toes were over a full degree towed in the front and rear, which has a tendency to burn the tires right off the car. This thing's actually pretty cool. It's got a wide body kit on it. All the suspension components are adjustable, coilovers, custom exhaust. I mean, it's pretty cool. So, stance cars may not be your style. I'm more of a muscle car guy. But I still respect the person who built it, what they did with their car. It is their car. The way they want to build it is all up to them. It's an expression of their style. So, pretty cool little ride. Just thought I'd show you something else that we can pull on and off our rack and at least make it a little more affordable to drive because you don't have to buy tires every week. We'll have to keep in touch with this customer and see what kind of life he's getting out of his tires after we aligned it, because I'd be interested to know what the difference is. But anyway, this is just a short bit on pulling low-lows onto the alignment rack and making them better for our customers. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment. Have a great day. So I actually lied earlier. I said this is on coils. This thing's on airbags on all four corners. So, but even so, at this stance, it goes on and off my rack without a problem. The settings he had the air ride set at is where I set the alignment, as that's where he wanted it. So this is where he drives it. That's low. I like it. So if you ever wonder if we can align your lowered car, yes we can. Have a great day, guys. I got more work to do.